I've been feeling so down, yeah. Can you tell me why? Can you tell me why I'm down, yeah? No friends of mine around.
Because it's not safe for anyone. Couple Megan Fox and Machine Gun Kelly have been shacking up in an Airbnb rental costing them an estimated $30K per month. Located in the upscale Sherman Oaks neighborhood of LA, the home boasts 5 beds, 5 baths, and endless amenities, not to mention it was newly constructed. The affectionate and PDA-loving couple moved in around spring, and today we'll check the space out along with a couple of Megan and MGK's former properties. Megan Fox is an actress and model and has long been considered a sex symbol. Aside from starring in movies and shows, she's known for gracing the covers of multiple magazines like Maxim, Rolling Stone, and more.
If you land in a new city, what's the first thing you guys look to go do?
Find weed.
Valid. Okay.
Period.
Her man, Colson Baker, better known as Machine Gun Kelly, is a rapper, singer, songwriter, and actor who's noted for blending contemporary hip-hop with rock into his music. Ever since Megan started MGK's Bloody Valentine music video last year, the couple has been inseparable, and I gotta say, I can't blame them. They look great together. At the time of this recording, Megan's estimated net worth is around $10 million, and MGK's is estimated to be the same, so clearly, the couple can afford a $30K rental no problem. Megan and Kelly reportedly met on the set of their thriller film Midnight in the Switchgrass in early 2020 and confirmed their relationship in May of the same year. Megan was formerly married to actor Brian Austin Green, so before shacking up with MGK, she had to unload the real estate she used to live at with her ex. Recent news, Megan and MGK have been renting their new love nest for $30,000 per month in an off-market deal since May 2021. The couple's home is located in LA's upscale Sherman Oaks neighborhood, which is growing in popularity among the rich and famous, not to mention Megan herself used to own a home here. The loving couple have been living in this 5,300 square foot abode, which offers 5 beds and 5 baths. It was newly built in April 2021, so everything is fresh, modern, and upgraded. Amenities in Megan and MGK's brand new mansion include a swimming pool, spa, basketball court, and an open deck outside, not to mention an additional terrace located off of the master suite. Elsewhere, there's a 26-foot sprawling entryway, Baja shelves installed throughout the home, a fancy chef's kitchen, and a 2-car garage. At the back of their main residence, there's also a second family home on the property, which is said to be separately up for rent. In 2009, a home was purchased in the trendy Los Feliz area of Los Angeles, and according to property records, it was bought by a trust tied to Miss Fox. At the time of purchase, the place cost her about $2.9 million, but she ended up putting a lot of work and money into extensive renovations on the place. Mediterranean-style villa spanned over 5,300 square feet of living space and had 4 beds and 5 baths. According to the listing, the location allowed for views of downtown LA, Long Beach, Century City, and even the ocean. The thoroughly remodeled villa blends old world architecture with all of the most recent technologies and comforts. Megan transformed the almost all-white slate into a colorful, inviting space. The private compound offered an ideal floor plan fit for the California lifestyle, and interiors had hand-distressed wood floors and refurbished antique lighting. The main floor of the home had a spacious living room with fireplace and family room with floor-to-ceiling French doors opening up to expansive covered balconies in the city below. Formal dining room and breakfast room flow out into the landscaped courtyard. There's also a media/games room on this level, and a chef's kitchen with wood floors, marble countertops, and stainless steel appliances. Megan's previous master suite had a walk-in closet, private terrace, and spa-like bathroom with a soaking tub and closet that even has a window. The former couple styled the home with bold wallpapers, Spanish tile, and more eccentric touches. It got updated technology too, adding projection screen, a sound system, and video camera surveillance. Outside, the gorgeous property was completely walled and gated for privacy and situated on a beautifully landscaped lawn spanning over 13,000 square feet. Of course, there was also a swimming pool with surrounding patio and space to lounge. Megan also used to own a home in the Sherman Oaks neighborhood of Los Angeles, which is an area in the San Fernando Valley that's pretty suburban and where she's living right now. She listed this home for $1.3 million a few years back, which was an increase from the $900K she bought it for back in 2012. This home was rebuilt in 2007 and was a contemporary one-story property spanning 2,494 square feet of space. There's a large great room with vaulted ceilings, which combines the kitchen and living and dining areas. The kitchen had a large island with bar seating, stainless steel appliances, and one of the living rooms has a fireplace and built-in bookshelves. Nearby, you'll find an area that was designated as an office but could be easily made into a playroom or something else. The airy master bedroom has a vaulted ceiling and glass doors that open onto the terrace, and the attached bath had 2 vanities and a soaking tub. On the patio outside, you'll find an outdoor fireplace, living area for cozy nights, and a koi pond with a waterfall. Megan also transformed the garage at her casual and elegant home into a lounge and games room. Toluca Lake is a neighborhood in the San Fernando Valley about 12 miles from downtown, with that beautiful natural lake as the highlight. This house was actually part of an estate that once belonged to crooner Bing Crosby, so it has a cool history, and public records show the couple bought it around 2014 for $3.35 million. The house sits on approximately an acre with a curving driveway that leads you between gorgeous century-old oak trees and olive trees to the door. Inside, you'll find over 6,700 square feet of living space spread over one sprawling level with 4 beds and 6 baths. This doesn't include the 500 square foot plus pool house in the property that also has its own kitchen and bath. The main room is a spacious area with exposed beams and quartz slate floors. Other features throughout include wrought iron chandeliers, wood floors, and floor-to-ceiling windows. There are raised ceilings throughout the common areas, rows of skylights, and a wall fireplace that divides the open-plan living room and kitchen. The kitchen offers an opal granite island with seating all around, and there's a formal dining room on cherry hardwood floors. Other rooms in Megan's previous Toluca Lake home included a library with electric skylight, a rec room, and Sonos sound system for the entire property, even outdoors. The master suite here had his or hers bathrooms, as well as a pair of large walk-in closets or dressing rooms. Not to mention there's a second-story loft spanning over 600 square feet. Outside, the backyard featured a saltwater swimming pool and spa, as well as a fire pit. During the time Megan and her ex were living here, the house was actually featured on Bravo TV's show Flipping Out, but the couple pulled out of the show for unknown reasons. It's assumed the project was actually halted due to the upcoming breakup of the couple. It still got a no-expense-spared renovation though, given a rustic yet modern makeover by Todd DeMann and David Kramer of Paradigm Developers. It's part farmhouse, part Hollywood glam. Checked out some Los Angeles properties Megan used to own, and what did you guys think? Did you have a favorite?